You go out in the field and you look up in the sky, and you see the stars, and some of the light that's coming down to your eye has been traveling for millions of years. So you look up and you're looking at the past, and you look down and you're looking at the past. You know those dinosaur bones are millions of years old, and that light might have left there around the same time. You're just kind of sandwiched in that world, and it's really, really a wonderful place to be. Pete Larson. Despite my career path generally low income, I would like to earn my PhD and become a renowned paleontologist that travels around the world, both land and sea. It's been my dream since I could speak, and I remember wanting to be that when I was a toddler watching The Land Before Time and eventually Jurassic Park. Did you ever have somebody in mind that you wanted to be when you grew up? I did, and I'm determined to be that person. I would like to get my PhD from Berkeley and extend my career from there. I'll start with the complex and long education I'll have to endure. First, I plan on going to A&M to get my first degree in biology with also art and English. Because English is a big part of paleontology because you often participate in scholarly journals and have to write articles and sometimes even books about your research. And art comes in because there's a rare form of paleontology called paleo art, and not many people participate in that, so that's something good to have. The top paleontology schools in the U.S. are the University of Chicago, University of California, Berkeley, University of Michigan, Ann Arbor, Yale, South Dakota School of Mines. According to the paleontology section of the website U.S. News and World Report Education, which was last updated in 2014. Berkeley researchers are known for uncovering and researching some of the most influential findings in paleontology of all time, and geosciences in general, including the fact that the dinosaur extinction was probably caused by the impact of a large meteor, which caused the dinosaurs to, some of them would be caused fire, so they burn just from the impact, and then also suffocate, and plants would die so they didn't have any food. It's also a renowned school for the studies of preservation and keeping the future safe for the inhabitants of the earth. Graduate students can pursue their PhD in the Department of Earth and Planetary Sciences. 2 research propositions, a master's thesis, and active participation in scholarly journals and seminars are a must if you want to get your PhD from Berkeley. You also have to have classes on chemistry, evolution, geology, biology, chemistry, ecology, and especially computing, because you have to compute your statistics into the computer, and sometimes you can animate your own dinosaurs to see how they would walk, especially if you discover something new. And you need this when you're actually putting the fossil together like a puzzle. So you can scan in each bone you have and then move it around on the computer and then put it together once you have it figured out on the computer. So you're not just fumbling around with rocks all day, not really knowing what you're touching. Graduates in this degree program have a 90% success rate when they go out to actually find their job. According to the Berkeley section of the 10 Best Paleontology Graduate Programs on the website titled The Best Colleges, last updated in January 2015. Next, I'll cover what I hope to do with my career after I graduate with my PhD. There are currently 3,000 working U.S. paleontologists, and their median income is $60,000 to $90,000 annually. And that's according to the Online Bureau of Labor Statistics published by the U.S. Department of Labor and last updated in 2012. In order to make more than the median income, I would have to have a steady job with a PhD at a university or a museum, along with my own expeditions for discovery and my own. That way, like, museums can fund me and my fossils can be put in their museums and they'll pay me forever long my fossils in there. And I hope to dig on all 7 continents and maybe even do research at the sea, because sometimes land can move and so there's dinosaur fossils at the bottom of the ocean as well. In order to do so, I will need to increase my critical thinking skills, my physical stamina, and problem-solving skills. Because, especially physical stamina, because when you're alone and you have to hike hours to find the site that you want to dig at, that can be an issue for people that are out of shape. Another interesting aspect is paleoart. It's a rare form of paleontology because most scientists who possess paleontological knowledge don't also possess art skills and the creativity needed to participate. They often illustrate their own books and even design, mold, and detail animatronic dinosaur puppets for companies like BBC and even for like the movie Jurassic Park. I'm lucky enough to have drawing and design skills and hope to experience temporary jobs like this in my career. Getting my PhD from Berkeley and advancing my career from there is my dream. It's been my dream to be a paleontologist since I was little, despite its low income. I'll start with a tailored graduate program from Berkeley with other classes like ecology and biology. From there, I'll have a 90% chance at success and follow my heart all over the world. Did you ever have a dream as a child to have a specific career? Did you follow it? All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Walt Disney. And here I have dinosaur teeth from my own collection. So it's a megalodon tooth, Spinosaurus tooth, and an ammonite.